up, y'all? It's your girl Randa.G here with another video. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new and you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So today I will be showing y'all my straight to curly wash day. So as you can see, I am using the Carol's Daughter Born to Repair line. I've actually already done a demo and review on this line, and since I'm using it again, you guessed it, I like it. I will say this was a very interesting wash day. One, I wasn't home. I was, visiting my parents, and I didn't have all of the products that I normally use, nor the tools. So this is definitely a minimal wash day, but it also was very successful wash day. But like I said, since I already have a demo and review of the products, I'm not about to beat a dead horse and tell y'all what I am doing. I'm literally shampooing and conditioning my hair. And then once I'm finished washing my hair, we will get to me actually talking to the camera while I'm styling my hair. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Love y'all, mean it. And I'll see y'all in a few.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the bank, telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Heard, whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, musta went over her head. Catching my side of the skills, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for far. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank, telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Heard, whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Woo! All right, y'all, just got out the shower. So I did not have a microfiber towel, so I had to use a t-shirt that was in my mom's drawer, and as you can see, dried very nicely. It's actually air drying very quickly, so we're gonna have to wrap this up. So I kind of knew that I wanted to wash my hair while I was away from home, so I brought my Miss Jessie leave-in conditioner and my Miss Jessie Feather Soft Curls. I think I'm just gonna throw her out tonight. I do think we're gonna go out to eat, or either we're gonna, you know, get takeout or something. I'm really craving sushi, so I hope we get sushi. But that's besides the point. So yeah, I think we're just gonna throw her out. I don't even think I'm gonna part her. Yeah, I feel like parting her is gonna mess up what we're trying to do. She's just so long, y'all. Like, she's so long and very, very orange. It doesn't look this orange straight, or am I delusional? I might be a little delusional. Okay, so she's drying very fast, so we gotta hurry up. I have my Miss Jessie leave-in conditioner. I do not have a spray bottle, so what I am going to do, I'm just gonna put some water in my hand and then put it on my hair and then put in the leave-in conditioner. Y'all see, y'all see. I do not have my detangle brush, so we are using a wide tooth comb, which I think will probably do better for my curls, as in leaving my hair more bigger. I feel like when you do your detangle brush, it kind of, what is a good word? I don't know. It just caused the curls to shrink a little more. And that's just my opinion. I don't know if that's like the true fact. That's just how I feel happens to my hair, and everybody's hair is different, but I just feel like the comb, I don't know, it just makes the curls stay bigger, and I feel like I have better length, and like y'all see, like it's pretty. It is, it's just pretty, you know. I do have very tight curls, at least I think so. So they shrink up very quickly. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I think I'm gonna have to buy a spray bottle because this isn't exactly doing what I need it to do. Don't get me wrong, it's getting it done, but I feel like I need it a little more damp than what it's actually giving me. But we can only do what we got. So yeah, my hair. Tangle this side. Whew, Lord. I don't know, y'all. I might have to put her up. Only because I didn't know. I don't know. She just didn't look this orange. And it may just be the camera. Because when I look at myself, it don't look that bad. Now when I look at the camera, it's like, girl, you got a lot going on. Plus this lighting, it's not the best lighting. It's more like yellow lighting. Yeah, it's more like yellow lighting than the white lights, and I kind of like white lights. I just feel like it looks better to me. Okay, this is me just going in with the soft feather curls. It's just a styling gel. I'm not gonna lie, to me it comes out more like a lotion than a gel, but this is just supposed to set my curls, as you can see. I'm just gonna get a little more on the ends. I'm gonna do a little prayer hand action. Keep it nice and long. Oh, I might do half up, half down. Half up, half down might be cute. Yeah, I might do that instead. Okay. And then let's do this side. Woo. And don't get me wrong, I know this is gonna look so much better when I'm actually like home with my hair products. Well, not, I don't want to say my hair products because these are my hair products, but you know what I mean. Like when I have all of my products, like literally doing the bare minimum in my childhood bathroom with just a little bit of products, you know. Like we're doing the best we can with what we got, and we ain't got a lot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to tame her down just a little bit. What I might do, I might just have to do Old Faithful and just do a slick back. Y'all know I love a good slick back. But I did want y'all to see the curls. It's pretty, right? It's nice and big. It looks so long. Don't get me wrong. By the time it dries up, it would probably be up here and bigger, but it's cute. But I know how my mama is. And the first thing she gonna ask me, you not gonna put that up? So I'm gonna beat her to it. And I'm gonna beat it up. Y'all, look how much my hair has grown. Y'all see that? Which it has been like weeks now though, since I first got my hair colored. And I don't think I'm gonna touch her up. I think I'm just gonna let it grow out. I think I'm gonna enjoy the nice little ombre that it's gonna give me. But I am gonna go back straight. I don't know. I think I'm just going to enjoy the straight hair during the cold months. I mean, I feel like long as I oil my scalp, take care of it, like, that's why I actually brought this Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner and the repair oil. Because, you know, like I said, y'all probably, well, if you're new here, you never heard me say this, but I have never dyed my hair before. I've never bleached my hair before, you know? So I definitely don't want to damage my hair. I want to make sure that I take care of it. I want to make sure I oil my scalp, oil my ends, you know, do the treatments. Because even when I made an appointment, I scheduled the appointment, and I am getting it done not next week, the week after that. So in December, it's December. And, you know, I added a deep condition because I do want to make sure that I'm staying on top of it and taking care of my hair. Because, girl, I mean, I love my hair. I know my hair ain't everything. I know it'll grow back, but I feel like you just have to make sure you take care of your hair, you know, to try to prevent some things from happening, you know, or at least try your best to make it not as bad as it could be. Whew, okay. Yep. Just going to take this. Make sure it's nice and tight. And my favorite part, of course, I'm going to do edges. I know, it's so funny. My edges are already growing back black. already growing bad black. So funny. Funny how that works. But yeah, pretty. I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and slick. Oh, and this is me using my Eco Styling Gel, by the way, red top. I'm not gonna lie, I used it, was it yesterday? Yeah, I used it yesterday when I did my slick back bun on my straight hair, and I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous because I'm not gonna lie, I only use Eco on my curly hair, and like, I'm not gonna lie, like, it instantly waves her up, right? Like, it does good, like it slicks her, but she waves back up. So when I did that, I definitely was taking a risk because I didn't know if my straight hair was going to do what it basically does when it's wet. And it did. I don't know if y'all seen my pretty bun. If you haven't, you can go on TikTok, Facebook. Did I put a video on? Oh, I think I put one on Instagram too, but it just looks so sleek, and I wasn't expecting that. I know, like I said, I knew I was taking a risk. In the back of my mind, I was like, oh my god, this is really gonna, I do not want it to curl up like that. I want it to stay down. Yeah, I might have to do that. I was like, it's gonna curl up and I'm gonna be looking gray because I'm not washing my hair. But I am glad I washed it tonight. Okay. All right, y'all, this is it. This is me going straight to curly with minimum products. Literally use shampoo, conditioner, an oil, leave-in, a styling gel, and Eco Styling Gel. 6 products, and I'm not home. Literally got the bare minimum here. I didn't have my microfiber towel. I did not have my detangler brush. But I still think it looks good. It's gonna get us through the weekend. It's gonna get us till we get home. It's gonna get us until we get to our appointment. Not next Saturday, but the Saturday after that. So, hit like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. And I will see y'all next time.